Welcome to Linux Help, AWS Autoscaling. Autoscaling is a way to automatically scale up or down the number of compute resources that are being allocated to your application based on its needs at any given time. Before cloud computing, it was very difficult to scale a website, let alone figure out a way to automatically scale a server setup. In this tutorial, we will see about configuration of autoscaling in AWS. Let's go to the video. This is the dashboard page of EC2. Go to instance. To create a autoscaling, we need to create a image because autoscaling is also known as image depend process. To create a image, I am select one of the instance. Go to actions, select create image, enter the image name. Give the description. Once completed, create image. We can check the creation of image by choosing AMI. Image is creating. It will take a time. To create autoscaling, the prerequisites are load balancer, target group, launch configuration, autoscaling group. We need to configure these four. I am clicking load balancers, create load balancer. I am creating classical load balancer. Click next, give the name, click next, click next. In here I am choosing existing security group. Click next, next. In here I am choosing TCP protocol. Click next. It asking for the instance, but in autoscaling we need to add image. The image creation is on process, so we can add the image after. Click next, create a name. Once completed, create a load balancer. Load balancer was created. After that, we need to configure target groups. Go to target groups, create target group. This target groups is always communicate with load balancer. It is used to assign a load balance. The traffic comes from autoscaling. Your target type is instance. Give the target group name. Select a protocol. Add selected default VPC. Advanced health check. In here, we need to keep defaults. After that, click next. I am selecting the instance. Create target group. Target group was created. After that, we need to configure launch configuration. Before that, we check the instant image by clicking AMI. The image was launched. Status is available. Then go to launch configuration. Create launch configuration. Give the name. Select the image. Choose a instance type. T2 micro. Default storage volumes. Choose a key pair. Existing key pair. Create launch configuration. Launch configuration was created. Once completed, next we need to configure autoscaling group. Create autoscaling group. Choose a template. Create a launch template. Select an image. Instant type. Keypair. Select a subnet. Security group. Create launch template. Click next. Configure settings. Select a default VPC. Select subnet. Click next. Choose a existing load balancer. Classical load balancer. Click next. Decide capacities to minimum capacity 2. I am giving maximum capacity as 6. Click next. Click next. Click next. Check the configurations. Create auto scaling group. After creating launch configuration and auto scaling group, we need to attach both in load balancer towards target group. Before that, check the group activity. The desired capacity is 2 instance. The 2 instances were launched successfully. Next, we need to attach these both configuration into load balancer. For that, click edit. Search load balancing. Click edit. In here, already we add the load balance. Update it. Next, we need to add target groups. Select target group. Update. Both target group and load balancer were added. With this method, configuration of auto scaling in AWS comes to an end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.